Hey Nene Squad, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I put on my highlighters, my new highlighters that are new on my website. So I have two highlighter styles. I have Unstoppable, and this is a dark gold, or I should say a bronzy kind of highlighter, and this is a golden highlighter. I'm gonna start with Emma, and this is powdery highlighter, which I love. This powdery highlighters, I don't know, like it's just bomb. Like I just love it. So it comes like this. It looks like this. Now I'm gonna swatch it first. So as you guys see, it's nothing on my hands. I'm gonna take my index finger and I'm just going to dab my hand on there. And as you see that, like, look at that. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it on my wrist. Look at that. I think I'm gonna put it on my hand actually, so I don't have to do this. So I'm just gonna put it on my hand, on the back of my hand actually. And as you guys see that, now I'm going to take Unstoppable. So I'm going to dab my finger on Unstoppable, and I'm going to blend it on my hand. And as you guys see, Unstoppable is right here, the top one, and the bottom one is Emma. These are on sale for $4, very affordable. I also have other highlighters that's going to be coming soon, so make sure you're on the lookout and support black-owned business, small black-owned business. But I'm actually going to use both of these highlighters. I'm going to use one on each side. This brush right here, just in case if you want to know where I got this brush from Shop Miss A, and this brush from Elf. I'm going to use this brush right here for Emma. So I'm gonna dab my brush into the highlighter, and I'm just going to hit it on here so I can get the loose powder off. And what I am going to do, I'm just going to blend it in like that. As you guys see, this highlighter is very pigmented. As you like, do you see that? Like, girl, her highlighter is lit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend this highlighter out. So now I am going to dab my brush into the highlighter again. Put a little bit on my nose. Ooh, wait a minute, Emma might be. And if you know, if it's too much, all you gotta do is blend it in. Don't get scared or anything. And I'm gonna put a little right here. Ooh. Usually I do it before I put my lipstick on, but today I'm not. And I like to put it up here and right here. So that's Emma. I got this for the darker girls because a lot of girls say highlighters don't work, and I'm looking for some makeup products that are for my sisters, because you know I understand the struggle of being a black woman and wearing makeup. So yeah, so I'm just going to dab my brush in there, and I'm just going to hit it like that to put it on my cheekbone. As you guys see, my highlighters right here, and I'm actually going to get my phone and record it with the lighting, like how it is right now on my face. So on this side I have Unstoppable, and on the side of my nose and on my cupid's bow right here, and on this side I have Emma, and this is just with the lighting. With the flash on, you guys see the flash on? So this is Unstoppable, and this is Emma on this side. As you guys see that, I want to make sure you guys see my swatches. I should probably take pictures, and I'm actually going to put the picture right up here, or the video I should say. so you guys can get a better view. You can also use these highlighters as eyeshadow, or you can put it in your crease. But to be creative with these, make sure you tag our business Instagram, which is Monoe Boutique, and we will gladly share you on our Instagram. Now, we are looking for brand ambassadors. We'll send you free lashes, but you have to send your media kit. I want to know your following account, what businesses you worked with, what do you do on your channel, and are you consistent? If you're not a consistent YouTuber, please do not email me and ask to be my brand ambassador, because it's just like, what the heck? Like, why would I want you to promote my stuff and you're not a consistent uploader? So if you're interested in being a brand ambassador for my business, please check the description box. All the information will be there. So yeah, so I sell lashes and makeup right now, and I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to smash on that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed already, sis, what are you doing? Support us, sis. We are on the road to 3K, okay? What are they saying at this point? But yeah, so love you guys. See you guys till next time.